Aloha, my name is Deborah Meleisea, and I am originally from the U.S. territory of American Samoa. My major is tropical plant science and agroecology, and hopefully this is my last year as a CAFNUM student and a proud Vulcan. The concept of my garden is to provide a healthy alternative for CAFNUM students and CAFNUM altogether to promote wellness and a healthy lifestyle. Right now behind me you will see my garden, and in this garden we have 8 to 9 rows of crops, and these crops are taro, tomatoes, basil, rosemary, lettuce, bok choys, sweet peppers, bell peppers, and additional more plants that will be transplanted by the end of this semester of spring 2021. So the sustainability practices I have incorporated in this garden behind me are less tillage, trying to avoid the tillage of the soil, along with pruning, with mulching as well, and wood chipping using the branches that I have pruned from the trees behind me. Wood chips as well to suppress the weeds in my garden, along with using the mulch for suppressing weeds, and much more of that I have incorporated in my garden. The only difficulty or challenge I faced during my time of cultivating further into the plot that I was appointed to or selected to cultivate further was the absence of another person being able to assist me into pruning all the trees, mowing the lawn, mowing off the weeds, and also weeding out from the plots. But very thanks to my colleague Meleisea for assisting me on my project for this entire semester. To me, sustainable agriculture, or the word sustainable itself, is to maintain and sustain a particular plot that you are given. And also personally, it means to recycle or reuse what you have cut off or what you have pruned inside the entire plot, and then reuse it as mulching or wood chips, and reuse it again to recycle. Recommend this type of gardening since it's easier to maintain and to sustain, especially when it's a low maintenance garden that's easily to manage and to be able to work around it.